So I'm here today to show you guys another idea with these potted iris we have. And we're going to show you how you can create a perennial pot with iris as the centerpiece. So my dad Ray is going to show us how he makes these pots.
So we're starting just with an empty pot. We're just gonna, the way I do it, I don't like to fill the pot all the way. And then most of the things that, I may need a little bit more dirt here. There's two ways of doing it. This is a pot that is just, there's nothing in it. If you have a existing pot like that, you can also take things and put them in. So put the iris right here. And these pots, you don't need to take the plant out of the pot. This is a plastic pot. And again, you can change this if you like different things. We're trying to get things that we use in our garden. This was a Armeria. This is a Carnation. This is a variegated Rosemary. Again, it kind of gives you a different texture for like if you wanted to leave it. Yeah, this is kind of an instant spring pot. I guess that's what we call it, with the iris. This is an anemone. It's Oriental poppy. And then this is a delphinium. Again, we try to get you things that bloom in our garden, but some of these things, I like a pot that's very full. And then you can put pansies on the edge. And if you pick these off, they kind of bloom for you all summer. Some of these other things in here will stop blooming, but you can always take them out and put annuals in if you want. And then what I do now is just kind of fill in the soil. And you don't want to, it's kind of the old-fashioned thing of patting it down with your type, but you really just kind of want to let it settle like that, because basically you don't want the compaction. So this is your kind of your end product. As I said, you can vary it in different ways, and Ben will come in here.
Yeah. So you can also finish it with fertilizer if you want. Get this bag open. Sprinkle the fertilizer. Try not to get it on the foliage there. Sprinkle it around the pot. And then water it in. And then you have a perennial pot with an iris as a feature.